And Larry, you're on the air.
God bless you, Dr. Wallach.
Well, you're
My
very
name
kind.
is Larry Jefferson.
Okay, how can we help you?
I had three things going on, and they're serious. One of the three is I had radiation therapy, prostate cancer that went through, 4 months of last year. It ended December, and presently I'm ED deficient. Second, I'm now informed that I have a pancreas cyst problem. And I video chatted online. I'm a Marine veteran. I video chatted online with my principal doctor that's in Miami, and he suggests that the pancreas be removed because of this. They're not sure if it's cyst or whether it's cancerous, but they want to remove it. In probably the next 3 weeks. And size is two.
Okay, stop right there, Larry. Stop. You need to get right away a second opinion. I'd go to the nearest medical school and get a second opinion. Basically, a cyst is a non-malignant thing usually, and so I'd get a second opinion before we let them remove your pancreas. That's an idiotic thing. You can't live without a pancreas. Okay. And so I wouldn't be too good with that one. So, okay, what's your third thing? And I'll tell you what I think you should do here.
I also have this degenerative problem that's been since the military, L9 area and 7. And they just recommended me to take this medicine called BENLAFSAXINE, HLC 37.5 milligrams.
Yeah, what is it supposed to do for you? What is it supposed to do for you?
It's supposedly work with the pain problem.
Okay, so it's a pain relief. Okay, stop.
Yes.
That's enough. Stop. How much do you weigh, sir?
Excuse me?
How much do you weigh? Your body weight?
I weigh 176.
Okay, and how tall are you, sir?
I'm 5'10".
Okay, that's about right. Okay, well, here's what I would do. Go to the medical school and get a review of your records on your pancreas and see what their opinion is, and then call me back. Don't submit to surgery without getting a second opinion. Okay? Then, because you have a history of cancer, prostate cancer, and radiation therapy, you have degenerative disc disease, which can cause sciatica and other things, including atrial fibrillation and bladder problems and so on. And 176 pounds, I would have you take 2 of the healthy brain and heart packs per month that has stuff in there specifically useful for the pancreas, okay, and the prostate gland, okay, and the disc degeneration. So 2 healthy brain and heart packs per month, full dose everything twice a day. I'd also get 2 large bottles of the glucogel, the 240 count bottles of glucogel. So you can take you can take 15 of those a day, 5 at breakfast, 5 at lunch, 5 at dinner, and they're designed to support and promote maintenance repair of cartilage, ligaments, tendons, connective tissue, disc, between vertebrae, bone matrix, bone itself. And because you have a history of cancer, I would also throw in 2 quarts a month, liquid, 2 quarts a month of the Z radical. It's a mix of 3 super juices and also fucoidin, a substance extracted from a red marine algae that's credited for the reason why the Japanese have considerably less cancer than we have and have a higher rate of survival cancer than we do. And so I want you to take 2 ounces of that a day, 1 with breakfast, 1 with dinner, so that's 2 quarts a month of the Z radical. And let's see here. Let's start there. You do need to stay away from the fried foods, processed meats, oils, and gluten. You've got to stay away from anything that's going to drive cancer, the inflammatory foods, again, fried foods, processed meats. And processed meats, I'm talking about deli slices, sandwich meats, sausage, ham, bacon, bologna, salami, pastrami, pepperoni, jerky, corned beef, Spam, all that's got to go. And let's start here, but get that second opinion on that cyst in the pancreas. Certainly that's not cause to remove your pancreas. I just can't believe that they're that silly. They may have been having martinis at lunch when they told you that one. And we'll look forward to hearing from you. Start the diet immediately, Larry. It's going to take, depending on where they ship this stuff from, if they ship it from our Mid-South warehouse, you might get it in 3 to 5 days. If they ship it from California, it's going to be anywhere from 5 to 7 working days. But you can start the diet immediately. That's going to go a long way. You can also get that second opinion on that pancreatic cyst, okay?
Hi, I'm Dr. Don Verhulst, and I am extremely excited about the brand new product I just formulated called Z-Radical. Now, I've been studying nutrients for a long time, and this nutrient from the ocean, it's actually extracted from brown seaweed called fucoidin. It's the slippery part of the seaweed that protects it in the harsh environment of the ocean with all that salt and corrosion potential and the sun rays beating down on the seaweed. It stays strong and healthy. We found that you can take those nutrients out if you use specific strands that are unique to Z-Radical. There's a lot of science behind this, 750 PubMed articles published, and you can research that for yourself. But if you take this fucoidin and give it to people, in fact, 50 milligrams will cause a stem cell stimulation within 30 days and 100 milligrams within 12 days, and we put 50 milligrams in each ounce of Z-Radical, so I think you need at least 2 ounces every day. And the unique thing about it is it actually tastes good. My kids love it, and they take it every day. Now, fucoidin, the studied articles show that it can help enhance apoptosis. That's programmed cell death that cancer cells have lost the ability to have. So it kills cancer cells. That's a God idea. It also can inhibit angiogenesis. What's that? That's the blood vessels that tumors require to grow with. If you inhibit that, the tumor can't grow. That's also a God idea. How about enhancing the immune system itself by enhancing T4 killer cells, those little Pac-Man cells that go around eating cancers in your body every day? And then some studies even showed that fucoidin can lessen the side effects of chemotherapy and radiation. How many people do you know that Z-Radical could help? It's also been shown to help balance cholesterol and triglyceride levels, and even work on something called ulcer. There's a fucose that is a healthy sugar in the fucoidin, and it actually has sulfate groups that attach to the bacteria that causes ulcers and remove it from your body. So whatever you need it for, you need to take Z-Radical every day. I take 2 ounces every day. I wouldn't go without it.
Cardio Beats from Youngevity supports a healthy cardiovascular system and helps supply the nutrients your body needs to support better physical endurance. Your capacity to last a little longer is largely based on how well your cardiovascular system expends oxygen and circulates blood through your body. Cardio Beats helps combat the oxidative stress caused by physical activity by supplying you with key nutrients that support your cardiovascular system. These nutrients have also been shown to help improve endurance. Cardio Beats starts with organic beets, a rich source of nitrates to support healthy blood flow and oxygen transport. We've added whole foods from highly bioavailable seaweed and mango fruit, both known for blood flow support, and antioxidant-rich sweet cherries. Then, for even more heart health benefits, we finished it off with key amino acids. Take your physical endurance to the next level with Cardio Beats. Talk to your Youngevity associate for more information.